Hey, Auto Lady USA here. Today we're talking about the YouTube legend who gave away over $100 million. He has supported huge community projects and reached a massive online audience. But before all of that, MrBeast was just a teenager in North Carolina driving a beat-up 2000 Honda Accord that could barely make it down the street. Today, we're restoring a Honda just like the one MrBeast used. Stay with me because the reveal at the end will amaze you.
Jimmy Donaldson, the man the world knows as MrBeast, grew up in Greenville, North Carolina, in a regular middle-class family. He started YouTube at just 13 years old, filming videos in his bedroom with no audience and no money. By the time he was driving age, his family couldn't afford anything fancy. Just like millions of ordinary American teenagers, he drove a simple, reliable Honda Accord. No leather seats. No fancy rims, no touchscreen, just a car that got him from point A to point B while he was busy dreaming of something bigger. That car represents something powerful. It represents the beginning. And today we are bringing that beginning back to life. Now, before anyone asks, this is not MrBeast's actual personal vehicle. What we found is the exact same model, a 2000 Honda Accord in absolutely terrible condition. Look at this. Rusted body panels, broken interior, engine that hasn't started in years. This is exactly what Jimmy was working with before he changed the world. And our job today at Auto Lady USA is to transform this forgotten car back into something beautiful. Something that tells a story. Let's get to work. First, we start with the engine. Just like MrBeast never gave up on his YouTube dream, even when nobody was watching. We are not giving up on this Honda. We are cleaning every single part and bringing it back to life. During bodywork, look at this rust, years of neglect. But you know what MrBeast always says? Every big success story starts from the bottom. This car is no different. During interior restoration, we are restoring the interior completely. New seats. New dashboard, new everything.
This has been sitting for way too long. Look at this rust. This alignment looks absolutely perfect. And there you have it, the final result of the exact car MrBeast used, a fully restored 2000 Honda Accord. If you enjoyed this restoration, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Lady USA. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you'll be the first to know when the new video drops. Let's test drive the car. Can you guess whose car we're restoring next? Drop the celebrity's name in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next restoration. Please subscribe now.